Welcome back to part 2 of the West Yorkshire Spinners Springtime Blanket Crochet Along. I am Chloe Elizabeth Birch, the designer of this blanket, and here to introduce you to part 2 and what we'll be making next together. If you haven't already, you can download the free pattern on the West Yorkshire Spinners website. This week we will be making the next 4 panels. Starting with the hyacinth ones here, we will make 2 of these. For these panels we'll be laying a new stitch this week, which is the bobble stitch. Later on in this video I'll demonstrate how to do this for you. We will then go on to make the bluebell panels, which we have 2 different versions of. We have the short one at the top and then the longer sideways panel here. Each motif is created using tapestry crochet, which we covered in last week's video, along with how to work the borders. If you would like to recap how to do this, feel free to go back and rewatch. First, in part 2 we will work 2 hyacinth panels. This panel is made up of 1 chart. You will start working up the stem section and the first few rows of the flower in 2 colour tapestry crochet. Then for the main part of the flower you will work as before in tapestry crochet, while at the same time working bobble stitches to create the 3-dimensional texture. Here's a quick look at how we will work these. As you can see here, I have worked up our hyacinth panel to the first row of our bobble stitches. These stitches are always created on a wrong side row. To create the bobble, work as follows into the next stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over hook and pull up a loop, just as you would for a classic double crochet. Now, instead of finishing the stitch, we're going to work back into this same stitch. Yarn over and insert a hook into the same stitch again. Yarn over hook and pull up a loop. Now do this twice more into the same stitch. You should have 8 loops on your hook. Finally, yarn over and pull through all 8 loops to finish the bobble. And there you go. And here I am creating another bobble just so you can see it again. Again, inserting hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now yarn over, insert hook into same stitch, pull up a loop again. Repeat this twice more, so you should have 8 loops on your hook. Finally, yarn over and pull through all 8 loops to finish the bobble. Remember as you're doing this to continue to encase the colour not in work within the stitch. And this is how you create the bobbles. And here is the completed panel. Here you can see the wrong and right side of the panel. Once your panel is complete, you will then work the border in shade C. Next in part 2 we will work the 2 different bluebell panels which are shown here in the blanket. The first bluebell panel is made up of 1 chart, working a mix of 2 and 3 colour tapestry crochet. Once the first panel is complete, you will then work the border in shade D. The second panel is worked using 3 charts in total. First we work the upside down version of the bluebell chart, before working the central flower. Then finally finishing with the reverse of the beginning chart to finish. Once the second panel is complete, you will then work the border again in shade D.